If you wanted to launch a digital loyalty card for your coffee shop, most tutorials online tell you that you need 3 to 4 different tools. A wallet pass platform like Passkit or Loopy Loyalty for the actual card, a CRM to store customer information, and Zapier to glue it all together. And Google Sheets to actually track everything. What if I told you PayMeGPT does this all natively? One login, the pass lives directly in your Apple Wallet, no separate app for your customers to download, and the data flows straight into your sheets. And the boring part, the flow that connects it all, I'm letting Claude build it for me over MCP. Now, we're going to start off with Claude. Now, this is already hooked up to PayMeGPT via MCP, and I'll leave a video above that you can watch to learn how you can set this connection up either with Claude or ChatGPT. But let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is create an agent. So I'm going to just simply say, please create an agent widget for a coffee shop. The information or the details about the coffee shop you can choose freely, as this is for a demo video. Go ahead. Now what's going to happen is Claude is going to use the tools through MCP and PayMeGPT to create this widget. Now this is amazing because even if you have like a bunch of different information, you can give it to Claude and he will create the agent with that in the prompt. So your customized agent would be created like this. Done, bro. Okay, so it's already live, ready for the next step. Now we're going to go over to PayMeGPT. Now here we are in tools of PayMeGPT. Now I'm going to look for wallet passes right here. We'll click on that and we'll create a new program. I'm going to choose the type as punch card. I do have a bunch of different options I can choose from. Now I do have pre-filled information so we can speed this process up. I'm just going to give it a name, us as Coffee Co, and the description. And for associate with AI agent, it is optional, but if you're pushing things over to Google Sheet, you want to use this. So I'm going to choose Brewline Coffee. Now for the brand, again, us as Coffee Co, right here. We'll leave the logo empty for now. We can have email and phone number set. And then again, all of these things can be filled out, customized to you. Reward name, you can have free coffee for the reward name, reward details. And this is such a powerful thing to use with your customers. And then we can even have loyalty value currency. So internally only attach a monetary value to this program for an at-glance dashboard reporting. So you can actually see what the value is. We'll leave this for now. And we also have locations. So when you get into the vicinity or around the shop, there is an unlock screen pop-up that tells them, hey, you're here, activate it. So that's pretty impressive. I absolutely love this one. Okay, great. So now we want to create the program, just like this. Now the program is created. Now all we want to do is we want to head back over to Claude and we want to say, I want you to set up the flow that's going to push my customer's information to a Google Sheet. Create the Google Sheet as well. Every time when a customer gets a punch inside of the store on their card, it adds them to the Google Sheet. And now Claude is going to go ahead and do this as well. As you can see, it's now creating the Google Sheet. So we have Google set up with this. Now it's creating the flow. And as you can see, it's all done. Sheet is created right here to open. Let's click this. As you can see, it's create the sheet right here. And we also have the flow. Perfect. So now let's go back into PayMeGPT and let's see if the flow is here. As we can see, it's right here, Brewline Wallet Logger. And this is how it's currently set up. Google Sheets action. Action is send data to the Google Sheet. Worksheet 1, and then the custom fills the Google Sheet column titles. Perfect. They're all automatically filled in. That's what Claude did. Now let's head back out and we want to head back over to tools and automations. And this is where we'll create a new automation. We'll name this one. And then for the trigger, we'll choose Wallet Pass Punch Edit. We'll select the wallet program, which is us as Coffee Shop, and the action, which will be to start a flow. From the flow selection, we will choose the Brewline Wallet Logger, just like that, and create the automation. From here, we'll head back over to Tools, Wallet Passes, head back into this one, and we want to add Customer Self-Server Join Link. Perfect. So now I'm going to use this phone right here, scan it, and then we'll be given the option to enter in our details. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Perfect. So I'm going to just put in my name, my email, and my phone number. Click Get Pass. Then it's going to ask me if I want to add it to my Apple Wallet or my Google. I'm going to add this to Apple Wallet, just like that. As you can see, I'm going to click on Add and Done. Now I'm going to head over to my wallets, choose this one. Perfect. So now all we have to do is staff scanner link. We'll open up the scanner. So this is what the staff will have, right? So when a customer comes in, who's already become a customer through this scanning, when you come in the next time, you can either open the scanner and choose to either start scanning the QR code or type in a code or add them. So I'm gonna click on Start Scanner. Perfect. And now all I have to do, and I can show you this both in one, I'm gonna click on Add Punch and you can see it update right here, just like that. Now you should be able to see in the Google Sheet the information, the date, the time, name, email, phone number, program, punches, and what the goal is. Also with what the reward is and the status, active. That is with everyone. Now, another thing is, in some cases, these right here could look unformatted, right? So if these look strange, date and time, simply click on the column, go to Format, Numbers, and choose Date right here. That's going to format this as a date. And the exact same thing for time if it looks strange. Now, the incredible thing with this isn't just the Sheets row. It's the fact that there is no seat needed for the store manager. You can just give them access. And you can also pivot table your top spending customers. All of that extremely easy, with the best part being that you don't need several different platforms or apps to make this happen. I hope this video was helpful to you and I hope you can see the value in this. I want you to go out there, take this, pitch it to a local business and get your first customer. The wallet feature is not limited just to this. There are several different sections which I've already shown in this video briefly that we're going to cover in later videos. We look forward to having you join us in our social communities. Until next time.